Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into GitHub Enterprise Managed User, also called EMU, what they are, how they're different from regular GitHub account, and what you need to know if you work across multiple organizations. By the end of this video, you will know how EMU gives your company tighter control over GitHub, why EMU user account can't be used outside of your company, common issues when working with multiple organizations, best practices to avoid email or access conflict. Traditionally, developers create personal GitHub account using email like Gmail, Yahoo, Apple, or you named it. But with GitHub Enterprise Managed Users, companies like IBM integrate GitHub with their corporate identity system such as Entra ID. That means your GitHub account is created and managed by your company's IT team, not by you. Your GitHub username and email are directly tied to your corporate identity. So, why does this setup matter? Because EMU accounts are exclusive to your organization's environment. They can't access public repositories or collaborate with external GitHub organizations, even if they are public. Only IT managed identity can access company's repositories, keeping internal work secured and compliant. Now imagine this. You are an IBM developer working on TCS project. You try creating GitHub account using your IBM email like john.doe@ibm.com. GitHub throws an error. That's because your email is already logged inside IBM's EMU environment. Once your company provisions your identity for EMU, that email can't be reused for personal or external GitHub access. If you work with clients or external GitHub organizations, here is how to avoid conflict. Never use your corporate email in non-EMU GitHub organization. Using your work email like john.doe@ibm.com in client's non-EMU GitHub organization can cause conflicts with your company's EMU setup. If you try to use your company email outside of your EMU environment, your IT team need to revoke your GitHub EMU account to allow you requesting access to the non-EMU environment. This can disturb your internal GitHub and Copilot access. You can use a plus alias format, for example, john.doe plus ibm@ibm.com if your company allows alias email, or john.doe plus ibm@gmail.com using a personal account. A plus alias means adding a plus tag to your existing email that helps to track where it's used, is easy to identify and audit later. Your non-EMU organization admin should maintain a simple list of all external contributors with GitHub username, real name, company, contract email. This makes audit and offboarding quick and reliable. To manage permissions the smart way, always use GitHub Teams. Teams gives you a single place to control who can access what, making audit and cleanup much easier. To keep your GitHub environment secure, regular review who has access. Make sure everyone listed is still active on the project. And if someone rolled up or switched companies, remove them right away. It's simple step that prevent unwanted access and keep your repo clean. Let's go back to John for a moment. When he leaves IBM, his GitHub EMU account gets deactivated automatically. So he instantly lost access to all IBM repositories. But if John uses non-EMU alias like john.doe plus ibm@gmail.com, that access still active because those client organizations aren't linked to IBM identity system. He can still log into non-EMU account, which can cause conflict and security breach. Let's quickly recap what we have covered. EMU accounts are fully managed by your company's IT and tied to your corporate identity. Non-EMU accounts are personal GitHub accounts that you control. Never use your corporate email in non-EMU organization. Use alias or personal email for external project. Keep an external contributor registry and perform access review regularly. When employee leaves your organization, EMU account automatically revoke GitHub access, protecting your data. Today we discuss EMU and non-EMU accounts, how they differ, and strategies to safely work across multiple GitHub organizations. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more GitHub guidance, and share your questions or thought in the comment.